Welcome to this technical guide on the Huawei GT2 Pro. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Huawei GT2 Pro has a cracked screen, you may notice that visibility is greatly reduced, making it difficult to use your device effectively. This issue often occurs due to accidental drops or impacts. If left unrepaired, you risk further damage to the screen or internal components, which could lead to more costly repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a new screen replacement for the Huawei GT2 Pro, a set of precision screwdrivers, a spudger, tweezers, and some adhesive for securing the new screen in place. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and remove the back cover carefully using a spudger. This will help you avoid damaging any internal components. Once the back cover is off, locate the screen connector. It's usually a flat ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the connector latch. Next, you will need to remove the screws that secure the old screen to the device. Be sure to note the type of screws used, as they may differ in size. When removing these screws, apply gentle force. Over-tightening can strip the threads. After removing the screws, gently lift the old screen from the device. If it's stuck, use the spudger to carefully pry it away, ensuring you don't damage any surrounding components. Once the old screen is removed, take your new screen and connect it to the motherboard by securing the connector latch. Make sure it is firmly attached. Now, align the new screen with the device frame and press it into place. Use the adhesive to ensure it stays secure. Replace the screws you removed earlier, being cautious not to over-tighten them. Before closing the back cover, power on your device to check that the new screen is functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider investing in a sturdy case or screen protector for your Huawei GT2 Pro. Avoid placing your device in situations where it may fall or be impacted. Regularly check for any signs of wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.